you come here and you can see this undo button on the quick access toolbar. So I click the undo or I do redo. You can go both ways. That's something really useful for a beginner. Okay, and then this is the B stands for bold, and when you want to convert something into bold, just select that text and click on the B icon and or the B button, and see now it's bold. I want to get back to the previous text, so I just undo that and I'm done with that. Please remember, this is a quick tip. Please do not bold everything, only bold certain parts of the text which you want to stand out, and otherwise it's really hard for the audience to read the text. So it's a really bad thing to do if you bold a lot of text within a single slide. Please don't do that. And italicizing is something similar to bold. Please do not italicize every part of the text or a sentence. Only do something that you want to stand out among the whole sentence or the slide. So if you want to italicize a word, you simply use your mouse to select that text and click on I. That's it, you're done, and now you can see the italicized version. So let me get back. I undid that action, and also you can underline. Underlining is also a way that you want your text to stand out to your audience, for them to make it noticeable. So I selected history, and now I clicked on the U tab, and see, now it's been underlined. So I want to get back. You can, if you want to remove the undo action, you can simply undo in the quick access toolbar, or select the text again and click on the U icon, and see, there it's gone. Okay, this is the strike through button. Mostly strike throughs are used when you're presenting and you want like a previous text to be noticed. Then you choose it and strike through. That's one way you do it, or else you can use it if you are proofreading for a friend before the major presentation. Even that's a way you can let the person who designed it know that the one that you strike through is not something that that's useful to the audience. So for the time being, I'm going to undo that, and okay. Text shadow, it's not. This is one thing you can use with the title slide, but not with the later on slides. And shadowing, it's not recommended for every part of your sentence or text. Only shadow the title, or only something that you want the audience attention to be grabbed to. Okay, we're done with the shadowing. And the character spacing, we call it kerning in instructional technology. So kerning is a way that you can increase the space between each alphabet. It's not between the words, it's between each alphabet. So see, I chose American, and then I come here and see, I want to make it very loose. As you can see, the space between the alphabets increased and not between the words, and I want to get it back to normal, so I undo that. And after that, change case is also really important when you want to add a lot of text, and you don't want to capitalize a word, or you want that in the lower case, and you want to do the whole thing later on. So you can simply type your whole text and then come back to whatever you want to change, and see, I want this American history, the H, I don't want it to be capitalized, I want it to be like in a sentence, so I want it in lowercase. So I selected the whole phrase, or the two words American history, and then I come here and I choose sentence case, and see the H changed from higher case to a lower case. So, and also you can even convert the whole sentence or the words into uppercase. So if I choose uppercase, as you can see, it changed. And please remember, do not convert the whole text or the whole paragraph or a sentence to higher case or uppercase, because it's too gaudy and the audience feel more overwhelmed. So don't do that. This is one more tip I would rather recommend. So quickly I undo that, and then we see the text. See, you can clearly see that this icon or this tab means changing your font color. As I told you, font is each alphabet or each letter and how it's been written and things like that. So I want to change color for the American history, and I select that and click on the pen button, and I want to choose something like an yellow color. So I chose it, and I just hold my mouse and this is showing you a preview. I didn't select it yet. See, when I remove my mouse tip, then it comes back to your normal color. So now I hover on it and click on it, and see the change is permanent, and you can see that in yellow color. And also with colors, please do not use gaudy colors like radiant or radiant red, and please do not use colors that overwhelm your audience. So if you want to learn more, Google for complementary colors or primary colors or color wheel, and they will let you know what complementary colors are, so that you can design your background in one of the complementary colors and then the text in the other complementary color. So that's a way that you can create really good contrast, like a background and foreground perception. That's also a scientifically proven method to grab your audience attention. That's also called selection, and even you can Google for that, what's selection in graphics. Okay, for the time being, again I undo that and I come back to white, and okay, let's see what other buttons mean here in the font group. Okay, clear all formatting. I don't think you need that at this moment. I'm going to do an instruction video later on in which for advanced users I'm going to teach the other buttons that I'm going to skip on for today. Okay, now we're done with the American history, we're done with creating this subtitle, and I want to increase the font size, and I go here and see, I choose 40 size. Okay, and I'm done with that. As you can see, the font type is different. This is Arial and this is Angsana New. So remember that both of them are different, even though they are both the same 40 size number. Okay, now in order to use the paragraph group, let me go ahead and in the next slide put something like add some text so that we can justify using the paragraph group of icons. So I'm going to add a title saying American presidents, and here I want to list the name of the presidents since the Great Depression era as a bulleted format. As you can see, the bullet is already defaultly highlighted, or it's in that mode. So now I say, like, okay, Herbert Hoover, go to Franklin D. Roosevelt, I think Eisenhower, no, Truman, Eisenhower, and so on and so forth. Okay, as you can see, it's all being bulleted, and you can see the round type of bullet. Okay, and now I want to change the type of bullet. I don't want the round bullets in the front, so I want the square bullets, and as you can see, I click on that, I select the text, and then go ahead and click on, I just hold my mouse, I didn't even select it yet. So now you see the preview. I want to choose this one, which is like an arrow, so I chose that, and see the bullets change from the round type of bullet to an arrow. Okay, for some